Okay, this is the final installment of the PM-2. Here's the power supply board. I had to put a couple of spacers there. And this it's a dummy now. There's nothing connected to it. I'll show you what's underneath. So this is the high voltage 800 volt filter caps and bleeder resistors. I installed a new board. The old board was like this. I might rejuvenate this board. I'm not sure. But this was made by a fellow in the Collins Collector Association. So here is the high voltage bridge rectifier. And this is the low voltage 275 rectifier. And here is the low voltage filter capacitors. And this here is for the negative voltage, negative bias. And in any event, I did find these Teflon wires, they're really old, and you start flexing them and they start cracking. I had a couple of them cracked, so I had to put some heat shrink over them. Wasn't too bad. So let's fire this up. And this is where it slides into the KWM2. I have the key marked here because it's pretty worn out. And then according to the schematic diagram, pins 5 and 7 are switched on the KWM2. So I'm showing them out here. So let's see. Got 15 minutes on this YouTube video. So here's one. Let me run delete it here. One, and it goes counterclockwise, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 5 and 7 are shorted. And as soon as I plug this in, it should turn on. And to monitor that, I'm going to ground this. Turn on the meter. DC. Okay. And according to this, the topmost pin 2 should be 800 volts. So pin 2, 800 volts. Pin 1, pin 2. Now I have a variac here. It's down there. That I have set for 110 volts. So we'll plug this puppy in here. So I got it plugged into the variac, and I'll turn the variac on. Got about very little current. Okay. And the meter says 920 volts EC. It calls for 800. Okay, let's try pin 1. It's 275. It's about 50 volts over. And pin 4, minus 50 to minus 90, pin 4. So, and that's adjustable. I'm able to adjust the speaker. Yeah, it adjusted. Yep. And the last ones are pin 8 and 9, 6.3 volts AC. Okay. 8 and 9. Oh. 7, 8. 6.8, yeah, and this is not what. I have to sit. 7, 8, 7. Same. Okay. Then lastly, I'll check to ground 3, 10, and 11. I'll use the ohm meter for that. I'll turn off the and make sure that I get continuous ground on pins 3, 10, and 11. All right, that's about it. Wasn't hard at all. Oh, and I did put a rivet here. That is going to hold the circuit with the 2 capacitors for the low voltage, so it doesn't dangle around. But all in all, I think it's a good project. I'm just going to put the cover back on. I got an extension from here to the KWM2, and power it up. Take care. Bye.